So we can see coming from in front of us the stone construction of the edges of a bridge, now filled in with steel and iron plate work riveted together across the main span section. This canal bridge, or former canal bridge, with the infill remains running beneath us now.
Yes, indeed. The canal has an unhappy history, really. Opened in 1774, straight out of Bradford, 3.5 miles to what we now think of as Shipley, where it joined with the recently opened branch then of the Leeds and Liverpool Canal. But in this 3.5 mile stretch, it had 10 locks in flights of 2 and 3. Not only that, but we mentioned the sewage works before, and before that sewage works was built, of course, the sewage was being dumped in Bradford Beck. The canal company, though it was against its charter really, was taking water from the Beck to fill up the canal. You can guess what happened to the canal, that's polluted as well. So bad was this that in 1866 it was closed. However, it had proved a useful waterway as far as Bradford was concerned, and especially some of its quarries to either side and transporting stone. So it was opened again in 1870, 1872, but that also gave the proprietors a chance to upgrade the canal as well in its infrastructure. As far as the locks are concerned, numbers of pumping stations were built at each set of flight locks, 2 flight, 3 flight, and so on. And also some of the bridges that had originally been built, such as this one, in the 1770s going into the early 19th century, only supported light local traffic. So they were timber bridges, some of them turn bridges. These were replaced with structures like this, as Ben has said. You've got these masonry abutments, and then the rest of it is prefabricated iron or steel, which could be easily assembled on site, so that it takes heavier traffic now. And that happens along the length of the canal, I think, from the late 1860s into the 1870s.